Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. Platform or service to use in order to help you promote your business. Now, I know a lot of people are on social media. A lot of people utilize YouTube for their online business. One of the reasons why having an SMS platform like a Press One Cash or even a text marketing platform will help you grow your business in different ways. Now, being online is great. You know, you have your YouTube, you have your Facebook, you have your Instagram, but these are great platforms. But by having access to a SMS or MMS platform, you're now able to harness that ability into your profile. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So you see with Press One Cash here, they give you a SMS phone number that you can use. You can have your prospects call that phone number and it will direct it to a website of your choosing. So for me, for example, my website will be Press One Cash. Your website could be whatever you want it to be. Your website could be whatever you want it to be at that given time. Let's say, for example, if you're in $25 One Up, or if you're in Tradera or Newbies on Fire, whatever your business is, you can just simply share a phone number and have people call your phone number to get that link to your business. Okay, any interested prospects, all you have to do is just tell them to, call such and such a phone number, right? They call that phone number, they get the information that they need sent directly to their phones. Okay, and that's very powerful because a lot of people don't necessarily have the time to read emails. All right, a lot of people like to just, don't just get the information that they need right then and there, and just go about their business. So by you being able to tell them to call a phone number, they're gonna get a message set directly to their phones, which would increase the likelihood that they'll be able to look at your opportunity right then and there. Okay, so that's one reason why you should have an SMS platform. For me, I like to use an MMS platform, and I'm going to show you why that is. So with MMS, it's pretty much the same as SMS, but you're just utilizing text messaging more. Okay. So if you look at my profile, my Facebook profile here, you'll see my bio here, my description, and then going down, you'll see here, text details to 90407 to earn $100 to $1,000 daily. Now, why did I do that? Okay, because I want people to text, my keyword to that short code so they can get more information about my opportunity. So essentially what I'm doing is actually marketing, a business opportunity right there in my bio. Okay. By doing that, all the people that, come to my page, they'll see what I'm about, and they might want to take action on the opportunity. They might want to get more information about it. All right. So that will always be there. So that's basically a marketing tool in itself right there. So whether it be a phone number or whether it be a short code, you always want to make sure that you're adding something like that to your profile, to your bio, so that way people can, get more information about what it is that you do. Now, I won't sit here and tell you that you'll get a bunch of, leads, a bunch of sales and things like that because there's no guarantee of any of that stuff. But what this does is that it gives you another avenue of advertising, so that way you don't have to solely just focus on, going to a Facebook group to try and post all day about your business, or, doing a YouTube video about your business and hoping that, people will watch your video and click on your link. You have another method of advertising your business, one that's very evasive, if you will, one that allows you to advertise your business in such a discreet way that when people come to your profile and they look at your bio, they look at everything here, one of the first things they'll actually see is this, right? And you can do this for pretty much any social media platform. You can do it for YouTube. You can do it for Instagram. Any platform, you're able to add a little message like this into your bio, right? And again, that allows you to have another advertising tool right then and there. Okay, so having said that, guys, I highly recommend that you guys get an SMS platform or an MMS platform. You can do both if you choose to, or you can do one or the other. Because again, these are very evasive methods of advertising, and they'll definitely help you in the long term advertise your business in a different light, in a different method, okay? Because I know for a fact that there are a lot of marketers that are not utilizing SMS or MMS for their business. They're basically just relying on, just coming on social media, just posting and posting and posting about their business every single day on their timeline or in these Facebook groups, and they're not getting the results that they want, okay? As a marketer, you need to find different ways to reach your target audience. And I can tell you from experience, guys, there are a lot of options out there. This is just one of many of them. So I highly recommend that you take the opportunity to do your research on SMS or MMS, see how it could benefit you in your business, and just invest into a platform like that. Now, if you're interested in a platform like SMS or MMS, in the description section or the comment section of this video, you'll see two links. You can check both of those out if you choose to, and see if they're fit for you. But if not, no worries, okay? One more thing before I wrap this video up. You could also use this as a great offline marketing tool as well, whether it be on a flyer, on a business card, or anything of the sort that allows you to market offline, okay? Because again, when you're promoting a phone number or you're promoting a short code, right? Those are pretty much, you know, things you could promote anywhere, right? By putting a website on a flyer, odds are your audience may not remember the website because they're probably on the go. They'll probably just pass by your flyer. They might glance at it, but they probably won't remember the website. So by having a phone number that they could plug into their phone right away, really quick, or by them testing a short code right then and there, that helps, them remember what it is that they were looking at instead of having to remember a long website name. It makes things easier for them, which is what you want to do in the long term as well. All right. So having said that, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys check out the links in the comments section and check out the opportunities, the SMS and the MMS tools that are there. Take a look at them. Let me know what you think. And remember, guys, this right here is a very, very simple way to potentially get more eyes on your business, okay? And reach your potential customers right where they're at, which is on their cell phones. All right. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.